Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we forget guys our Bluetooth earphone to our Realme phone device. So if you want to forget guys your this earphone to your phone, so how can you forget? In this video guys I am going to show you. So first of all guys open your phone setting to forget guys your Bluetooth earphones. So we will on guys our phone setting and we will scroll. Guys click on your Bluetooth setting, phone Bluetooth setting, and guys you can see we have connected get this neckband earphone ubon, and guys we want to forget how to forget. Right side icon guys tap here, and guys you can see device name, disconnect and pair option. So you can see guys your device name. So as you want to change your earphone device name, you can change from here. I will not change guys. I will click on unpair option means forget. Then guys this earphone will forget to your phone, and guys you can see guys your earphone with this red light meant it has forget, and guys we cannot use. You want to use, so you will have to connect again. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.